You are a few steps away from becoming a profitable trader. Why? Because by now I know that you must have been able to learn how to mark out high probability point of interest, how to know your market directions, and also entry confirmations. And in this video, I'll be talking about ranges. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, press that subscribe button. Let's get to 1000 subscribers so I can be coming live and trading every single day. So we can be live trading every single day. Press that subscribe button, guys. Press the subscribe button. Let's get to 1000 subscribers. So guys, I'll be explaining how I got this entry, combining all these things together and including ranges. You see that every day today I add one thing to the strategy, so we can be joining everything together to make a strong strategy with a high win rate and a high risk to reward, as you know. So guys, let me explain how I added ranges, or how we can add ranges to this strategy to make our strategy more precise and accurate, and so we can be getting all those high probability setups we usually get. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. And if you haven't followed my Telegram community, guys, follow the Telegram community. So because I drop daily setup in the Telegram community, and I also drop, most importantly, fundamentals in my Telegram community. It is free, guys. So the guys, follow the Telegram community and let's grow together. So let me start by explaining the candlestick anatomy. So let's assume this is a bearish candle. So what is a candlestick anatomy? If this is a bearish candle, it means this candle opened at this point, and at some point in time the candle moved up high to this point, then the candle expanded to this point, then the candle closes at this point. Now this is what we call the candlestick anatomy. So guys, ask yourself, what if I can get this expansion in the market? If you can get this expansion in the market, guys, you will be very profitable. How do we get this expansion is the question. So we will be combining the candle range theory together with our own point of interest to get a high probability setup. So let's do this. So let's assume this the candle range or our candle range theory comprises of three candles. First, we have the candle which is known as the candle range. Then we have the second candle, which is known as the sweep. This is the sweep candle, and the next candle, let me change this color to blue, so it will be a bullish candle. Let's explain a sell scenario. The first candle, this candle is known as the range candle. Let me delete this so we can start this from, and so you can understand. First, after seeing this candle, you mark out the high of the candle and then the low of the candle, something like this. After marking the high and low of the candle, you then wait for a sweep of either side of the candle. But if it is a buy candle or a bullish candle, you should be waiting for the sweep of the high. Now we got the sweep of the high, something like this. The sweep should close inside the candle range. Let's change this color to black, so it's going to be a bearish candle, something like this. And so what are we expecting next? We are expecting market to react from this zone for our entries. So we are expecting something like this to this zone, and then boom, like this. This is what we are expecting for the candle range. Hope you understand, guys. The candle range theory comprises of 3 candles. First, the range candle, which is the candle range high and low, and then our sweep candle, and lastly our entry. So guys, let's go to the chart so I can explain how we got this entry using the candle range. Let's delete everything on the chart so we can explain. If you haven't subscribed yet, guys, press that subscribe button. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. If you haven't followed my Telegram community, follow the Telegram community so you can be getting my fundamental and technical daily analysis. So going to the daily time frame to get our range, or our candle range. Now what can we see here? We can see a candle range. Now this is our candle range high right here, and this here is our candle range low. Now why didn't I mark this as my candle range low? I can as well mark this as my candle range low, but no. Why I didn't mark it as my candle range low is because we have 2 consecutive bullish candle in one at the same point. Like if it was a bullish and a bearish, then it wouldn't be a candle range. It wouldn't be a candle range. But since it is a bullish and a bullish candle, 2 bullish candle, we consider it as one candle, making it one range. So this is our candle range high, and then this is our candle range low. So what do we look for next? We look for our entry. Hope you can see the 3 candles, or the 3 criteria before getting our entry. First, the candle range theory comprises of 3 things. First, we have the range. Second, we have the sweep, and third, we have our entry. This right here, this candle right here, this black candle right here is our sweep candle. It is our sweep candle. This candle is our sweep candle. So candle range, sweep, and then we look for entry. So we don't just enter from the daily apex level. We go down to our 1 hour time frame to get a high probability point of interest that we can enter from. Somebody is going to say, I'm a day trader. Why will I be coming to the daily? The higher time frame is also important. So guys, let's go to the 1 hour time frame so we can get a high probability point of interest to enter from. As you can see, we first okay. So now what is a high probability point of interest? A high probability point of interest is a point of interest that sweeps liquidity, breaks structure right here, break structure here, boom. It broke structure here, sweep liquidity, sweep, break structure, and I shifted this, and lastly leaves liquidity resting below liquidity, our first pullback. So leaves liquidity resting below our point of interest, liquidity. So this is a high probability point of interest. So where do we enter from? Since this is our daily point of interest, we look for the nearest point of interest closest to the daily point of interest. And where is it? This QM right here. The QM right here is our high probability point of interest, or entry point. So we enter our trades from here. We enter our trade from here. Stop loss just above the QM. Stop loss just above the QM, and take profits at our next at our candle range low. Boom. You can see this is a sweet 14-hour trade just by understanding candle range and combining it with high probability point of interest market direction. You can also reciprocate this and make high win rates, just as I do, and also a good risk to reward. Now just check this out. If you can make 14-hour in one trade, risking 1%, before you lose this 14-hour, it means you must be able to you must have lost 14 trades in a row before losing this 14-hour. So making a high RR is very important. Again, you need to consider it. You need to consider high RRs in your trading plan. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe so you can get 1,000 subscribers, and follow my Telegram community where I drop my daily signals. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next episode. So guys, comment the video you would like me to create next so I can create it. This video is on expansion and it was from a comment from one of you guys. So do well to subscribe and comment the video you would like me to create next. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.
Started with the vision, charts on the screen, late nights, early mornings, chasing the dream. Candles moving fast, but my mind stayed calm. Learning price action, strategy strong. From losses to lessons, I paid my dues. Now I read the market, I don't chase the moves. Patience is the key, discipline the plan. This is not gambling, I'm a businessman. They said it's risky, they said it's hard, but knowledge is power. I know who we are, from zero to growth. We rise every day with the right mindset. We're paving the way. Solo at Forex Academy. We trade with precision, smart money mindset, clear vision, no hype, no rush. We move steadily, learning, earning consistency. Solo at Forex Academy. We play it clean, from the charts to the dream. This is the path, this is the way. Solo at Forex Academy. Asian highs, London breaks, risk on point, no rookie mistakes. 1 to 3, let profits run. Cut the loss quick, protect the fund. Community strong, we grow as one. Market give respect when the work is done. No shortcuts here, just skill and time. Building real traders one chart at a time. Price tells stories, if you know the code. Follow the structure, lighten the load. Trust the process, stay composed. That's how a trader is truly born. Solo at Forex Academy. We trade with precision, smart money mindset, clear vision, no hype, no rush. We move steadily, learning, earning consistency. Solo at Forex Academy. We play it clean, from the charts to the dream. This is the path, this is the way. Solo at Forex Academy. This is more than money, it's a skill for life. Control your emotions, control the fight. When fear and greed try to take the wheel, we stick to the plan, we keep it real. Final Forex Academy. Level up your game. Turn knowledge to power. Power to gains. From beginners to pros, we rise together. Market changing lives now and forever. Solo at Forex Academy. We trade with precision, smart money mindset, clear vision, no hype, no rush. We move steadily, learning, earning consistency. Solo at Forex Academy. We play it clean, from the charts to the dream. This is the path, this is the way. Solo at Forex Academy. Trade smart, Trade discipline. Trade smart. Trade discipline. Nice, Mike.